Welcome to 531 Summit Terrace Court. This neat 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home is located in Northeast Columbia in the Gatewood neighborhood near the Summit. So we're outside. You can see you have sidewalks and then common area parking out front. You have a nice little covered front entry. This one does sit on the end of the row, so you don't have any neighbor to your right. And as we step inside, so we have neutral paint throughout. And then you step inside into the living room off the entry. And this location is convenient to I-20 and I-77, also Sandhills dining and Fort Jackson as well. So you have a nice open kitchen off the living room, a couple of doors on the right side here. There's a coat closet sort of combined with a pantry as you enter on the right. And then laundry and a washroom over there as well. But you also have the above range microwave, electric range, dishwasher, and refrigerator. And then on this wall, the laundry closet, full size washer dryer connections in there. And then that half bathroom that we mentioned, the pedestal sink and commode. And then off of the kitchen, the dining room, pretty basic. It backs out to the sliding glass door out to the outdoor space of the home. You have a nice little fenced backyard area, patio, some fencing along here. And then we'll head on upstairs. So you have 3 bedrooms up here and 2 full baths. First on the right side here is the master. So the master has its own walk-in closet and its own bathroom as well, as you can see there. We have single vanity and a shower and tub. Nice window there as well. And then the second and third bedroom, they share a Jack and Jill bath in the center of the two. So you can see one of the 2 bedrooms here. Closet in that corner, attic access panel, I'm not sure about any storage up there. And then the second full bathroom, again single vanity and shower and tub. Back behind the door there. And then last but not least, that 3rd bedroom. And this one has a walk-in closet with a window. This one's at the front of the unit. We have the master basically as it ends up and faces to the back. So that completes our tour of this home, 531 Summit Terrace Court. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.